Oh, there's so many trains. Which one can we steal?
Hey, I think I see the one that's fully assembled. Let's take them.
Good idea. One lost train can make this railroad lose revenue for good. This railroad sucks for selling us.
I see why we have to steal a train. It will impact them, but not on a very high degree.
Do as I say, or I'll shove you off the harbor.
Maxwell, you're being too harsh towards Marcus. Look, we have to humiliate ourselves by made trains already. Be grateful we made it this far.
Lawrence, maybe if you'll shut up and stop talking so much, you'd see why all the other BNSF-9s don't want to be around you.
Whoa.
Truth hurts, doesn't it? Now get that train and let's get out of here.
Where did our train go?
Oh, what the heck. Someone mistakenly took them.
Aw, I thought you really left with that train early. I'm so confused now. You're here and that train is gone.
It's probably Damien. He takes us our trains by mistake.
What are you talking about? I'm right here.
Oops, sorry, out of the question.
Never mind him. He would have been stopped at the junction if he took the wrong train. You're right, Damien. Also couldn't haul all that on his own.
Were you all just talking about that train? If so, we saw 4 engines heading out in the distance with them in tow while we were at the industry yards. I can't say what those engines are, but one of them looked like to be an SD90 Mac, and the rest looked like GE- engines. What SD90 Mac? We don't even have an SD90 Mac in our railroad, and we have so many GE engines in our railroad we don't know exactly.
Hold on. That could mean one thing. Maxwell.
Aw crap, not that engine.
Who the hell is that?
When the railroad was in its beginning phase in 2010, the yardmaster, not the current yardmaster Aurora, wanted to buy a couple engines. He found an SD90 Mac available for lease cheaply, but only to find out he was unsuccessful in all of the runs. Maxwell was extremely rude to employees in the other engines. As a result, he was sent back to the Union Pacific. The other engines similarly caused several delays and many derailments, resulting in the same fate.
Could that be the reason why some of the engines here are reckless?
We can answer that later, but now we gotta get that train back before it's too late. Cody, you mind taking my train for today?
Sure thing. We will take care of your train.
Thanks, Cody.
I remember where Maxwell is. I heard all of you mentioning about him. I think I need some of you to follow me.
Alright, Ty and Jeremiah. Do the other job since you're both not working today.
I got a plan. I'll go ahead on a trail and see if I can find them. Y'all follow me right now. Who's there? Wow.
I'll be a part of the plan.
Count me in too.
Same here.
Alright, y'all. Let's go find them. The headmaster's already given me permission to take a couple engines with me.
Ugh, we got another train to get ahead of this. This plan isn't working.
It'll be 10 minutes. It'll go quick.
Of course an intermodal. They always get priority.
Alright, guys. Couple slowly.
Alright, go!
Ah, what the hell?
What the heck, Damien? We said slowly.
Sorry, I got too excited.
Oh, piss. We've been caught.
Guys, we gotta run.
Get on with it. They're after us.
Pull back! We can't let them escape!
With how heavy this train is, they aren't going anywhere fast.
Told you we'll eventually catch them. Hey, where are all of you going?
You all stay back! We'll get ahead of them quickly!
Oh, we don't get wrecked with this, Brian.
Don't worry, we'll get ahead of them.
I can't hold any longer!
Hiss! We're defeated!
Alright, we're out.
Give that train back.
I don't think so.
Break hard! We'll be sure to stop them!
No, this isn't as good as I thought.
What? You thought going ahead and braking on us would work? Not a chance.
Jermaine, I don't know why you even came up with that plan.
I'm sorry, at least we tried.
My accidentally burning. I can't move an inch for a good while now.
We're all good now.
Oh, damn it! I knew this would happen. We can't get away because these engines know when cars get taken.
Maybe if you guys weren't slacking, we wouldn't have got caught.
Just give up. There's no reason to keep going with only half a train only.
Well, at least they'll lose some revenue. We're going through the Tracy subs because it'll be faster.
Is it even safe to speed through the Stockton yard?
We gotta go fast to get through all the trains. Oh, shit.
Oh crap, why now?
Bloody hell, the timing couldn't have been any worse.
At least it's better than colliding with that local and flying off into the nearby buildings and homeless camps.
And I'll take that train. Thank you.
Hey, you were the one behind all of this.
Yep, I radioed the BNSF for the Stockton loco to have the right of way while you were approaching Stockton.
You stupid engines, you let them catch us real quick.
Who's there to argue? You forced us and your crew to go to that railroad. Thanks to you, the damage has been done.
Exactly. The only thing that came out of this is embarrassment.
This is an embarrassment. This plan isn't over yet.
Hey, watch out!
Really? Now this?
Yeah, you deserve it for not stealing that train.
Our owner is going to get pissed about what we've been doing today.
Hi, we got your train back.
It was Ethan's smart planning, along with Damien's attempt to speed ahead and stop them.
Needless to say, our brakes need to be repaired. I can still feel the heat burning in my axles.
That was sure one daring attempt. I'm glad we made it back in one piece.
That must have been humiliating to watch you guys slamming the brakes on while Maxwell and the others were pushing you all.
At least I tried.
But you left us and made Maxwell win against us. Just imagine if you were still onto Maxwell and you crashed into a car. Think about it.
Well, you're right. I should have thought about it. But I'm glad I'm still here.
No matter what, you got the train back.
Yep, let's get going now. The train is already hours late, and we don't want it to be delayed more.
Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Where the hell were all of you for yesterday? If you don't spit it out in 30 seconds, you all will be good scrap metal.
Look, Maxwell forced us to come along with him to steal a train. I know it's stupid, but he threatened us that he'll throw us off the Fair River Canyon.
Alright, Lawrence, Ryder, and Marcus. Since you three were the victims but still played a role in the stolen train, you'll be switching at Stockton Yard until I decide when I start seeing the good in you. As for you, Maxwell, I'm embarrassed to know you planned out stealing a train from another railroad. As for your punishment, you'll be sent on working at the California Northern for a month after you're fixed up.
No, not the line where it feels endless. That's literal torture.
That's the point. If I hear you aren't by Tracy by next week, you are done for.
I hate this.